I really hate when someone is talking about their struggles, but the other person said, oh, but others have gone more worst. Like, hello? What? You're saying that person's struggles doesn't matter or what? It genuinely hurts so bad. It makes us feel like our struggles aren't valid. But if anyone ever says that to you, don't listen to them. Your feelings are valid. You matter. It's okay to vent. I'm here for you, no matter what. For those people who says that when someone's going through... That's all for now. Stay safe. Warner, out.